Assalamualaikum semua. Welcome back to our Kanki channel. Sorry tahu dah lama tak buat video sebab saya ada sekolah, semua orang busy. Macam minggu lepas ada sukan neka.
Flashback.
Cepat dek! Cepat dek! You can do it! Go dek! Cepat dek! Go! You can do it! Dia muka ngantuk. Dia tunggu trend dia lama. Lepas tu pagi tadi kena bangun awal. Yeay! Good job! Kan number 2! Yeay!
The second place goes to Red House.
Wow! Jangan adik!
Goes to Yellow House.
The refreshment. What is that, adik? Wow, cooking set. Come. Oh, cantiknya muka adik. Face painting.
Macam hari ni saya ada bola, gitar, chess. Lepas tu baru je habis martial arts. So sekarang kita nak relax sekejap. Lepas tu kita pergi dekat rumah Abang Nuri. Lepas tu kita pergi swimming pool. Jadi tajuk hari ni kita nak mandi swimming pool dan saya akan diving. Iya.
Excited sangat nak pergi swimming, nampak? Saya bawa semua barang-barang swimming dia. Sekarang kita tunggu Nuri turun. Hello.
Shy. We are shy.
Apa ni? Oh, Nuri masak. Ada sup.
Okay, now this one is ready.
It will highlight the taste.
So I just put it on top and
Wow. Macam tu cara makan dengan yogurt dia. Macam. Ni Russian punya food ke? Kita tunggu sos Nurul. Dia pakai
This
ni
is what we create actually.
mayonis campur dengan
Chili
chili oil.
season.
For season punya chili oil. Sedap gila.
Nak yang tu. Nah,
What is it?
What you say?
panas.
What you say? Thank you.
Thank you.
Sedapnya sos ni, tak sabar nak makan.
Rory, enjoy your food in Vietnam.
Russian cars. The one we call it like a Gelenwagen, but the Russian stuff.
Mati, sedap.
And I didn't understand. Oh, okay.
Apa dia?
We do.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, first.
Makan sikit-sikit dulu sebelum pergi swimming pool.
Sekarang kita nak pergi dekat swimming pool.
Excited.
More heavyweight. It's how up your body. Easy.
Sampai.
Ya, pakai dulu. Kita pergi sana. If you fall je lah, swing je lah.
Confident je.
Yeah, why is nobody doing good?
How many meter?
You open and do.
Oh, 1.2 meter je. Okay. 1.2 meter. Lembat lagi kita nak swim. Kita ni sejenis takut air. Apa nama words tu? Aquaphobia. Apa benda tah? Help me! Aduh. Nak masuk air tu rasa macam imagination tu macam kalau ada air ni kan, tiba-tiba ada current mati kejang dalam ni. Kalau masuk laut tiba-tiba ada shark, kena makan. Macam tu lah. Overthinking. Sandinya, bestnya. Lihatlah sekitar alam, bumi yang luas terbentang. Wow, pergi mana? Adik, manalah nak beg lah kat sini. Manalah tempat yang besar tu. Adik kan suka mandi adults punya pool. Seronok Suka lah dia kat dulu layan. Mana fish? Ada fish. Oh. Okay, adik. Sejuk.
If you don't enter, it will be cool. Just one.
Tak sabar-sabar ni.
Wow, you know how to swim. She even better than me. She knows better than me.
Okay, bagilah Khadijah Manis pergi. Nuri pergi belajar swimming ke? Belajar swimming. Belajar swimming dengan Nuri. Cepat. Kali Shoki ke tu? Dia nak diving. Nak diving ke snorkeling? You snorkeling, not diving. Hey.
Your voice cuts through the crowd. Summer rain on broken ground.
Dulu dah bawa nak belajar swimming tu.
But right here, my feet.
Try, kita dah try.
Miss this chance.
Adik okey ke tu? Okey. Alah, hai manja pula ni. Okey ke Kadish? Okey. Amboi. Penat. Aduh. Hai. Cepat. Kena berjaga. Kena kejar. Cepat.
Taking your energy even more lah. Doesn't help.
Nuri ajar macam mana nak swimming.
Do this exercise. Keep doing your leg. Your leg has to get used to. From the top of the water. Let's go.
Aduh.
Kita doktor siapa nak kelawat?
Laju ni.
You ready? Papa cakap
Under the water, so interesting.
Papa cakap apa? Yang apa? Your kaki tangan macam mana? Macam mana? Lepas tu kaki sama. Lepas tu kalau your head goes inside the water, itu mulut up the water, nafas. Okay.
You know, usually how I swim, my back leg goes like this from inside the water. Also easy. Look at this. Look at this. Which one is more comfy? This one or this one? You have to find your comfort.
Ni kalau mami ni, aku ajarlah macam mana, mana tak kerti lah berenang. Aduh. Risau. Oh, main siram-siram lah diorang ni. Duduk putih ni. Saya siramkan tak awak kata. Ada mandi kat mana? Mandi kat sini ke? Ada mandi kat sini?
Adik, tanya apa?
Ada mandi kat sini je.
You don't like go there?
I want to stay here and
Dia tanya, adik, what is your favourite animal? Krokodil.
Krokodil. Semua pun takut. Krokodil lah.
Sure you. The crocodile is your favourite animal? You sure? Crocodile what colour? Green. Why you don't like cat?
because I scream
Oh, it's scary.
and dog too.
Tadi bijak.
Sit down there and no move.
Normal or don't move?
I saw you see the hand no move.
Okay. You told me just
I
don't move.
told you. Hai, pengawas sangat.
Eh, makcik ni.
Memang, makcik.
Makcik. No, then what I do?
Aja.
Doesn't have any support, you swim.
Tu boleh swim tu?
Do you know you swim now without support?
You come to see me,
Ha.
Papa swim.
Do you know you don't have support? You don't have any support on your hand, do you know that? You swimming now. Just now, why are you asking me to swim? You already know how to swim.
Dia tak perasan. Dia baru perasan dia mandi tanpa pelampung.
Dia dah fine dia punya balance dah.
Now he has to learn do this.
You need to learn to breath first.
Kemain dua orang princess tu, nampak tu? Nari-nari, berpusing-pusing.
Fatiha, you don't want to learn today, ke? You just give her key, she forget everything. You have to learn how to swim, Kai. You said you want to learn swimming. You're not learning, she knows how to swim.
Dia saja dia gunakan adik tu. Tu,
She knows already how
tu
to swim.
excuse.
Khadijah wanna hold me.
You let her go, I will find out. Khadijah, sini Kak, Khadijah. Tengok ni. Tengok ni. So after that,
Kan Nurul swim. Nurul swim.
swim sekarang rasa you body comfortable. Jump swim together. Jump. Just one. Don't touch her, don't touch her. She doesn't need anyone, she can do it.
Boleh je. Ha.
She doesn't need anyone.
You can do it. You can do it.
Wah, Kali.
Show in the water.
Shark in the water. Yang.
Kena belajar berenang. Sebab kalau ada kertas terbang, mami kena masuk juga secara terpaksa. Macam mana kalau tak pandai berenang?
Kertas terbang. Apa kertas terbang?
Kertas terbang ada picture Mami kena masuk ah.
Tak faham?
Secara terpaksa.
Apa secara terpaksa?
Let me learn your trick.
Go. Tak ada kerja orang ni. Mami tak on apa? Tak on clock. Siapa menang? Siapa paling lama? Tahan nafas orang
I am done.
Tahan nafas sama Hush. Gila Papa. Go Papa go. Go Papa go.
You can do it.
Hush.
64,
It's
65.
really hard to hold yourself without panicking.
Lama
Tolong. 74 saat.
I think you
Apa
stay
tu perasaan?
almost 1 minute.
A few moments later.
Kita dah mandi. Jadi kita nak naik atas untuk makan lah.
Kasih enjoy ke? Same ke sini? Best.
Freezing sikit otak.
Freezing otak Aduh ni macam Amboi. Memang dia memang sejenis. Sedap ke? Ni sagu gula Melaka. Tadi dia makan manti tadi berlain lah. Satu pinggan manti dah habiskan seorang. Lepas tu dia makan ni pula.
I like coffee. They are very good
I
coffee.
thought you want to drink this, not Papa.
The bread flour, you can find this one.
Pandai. Ni apa?
Bacon sauce, but this the red color. But don't buy it
Apa?
Lazada, this one mahal 990. Just now we find it.
K. K for?
Basically, it's a high protein flour.
Khadijah. Nanti lagi dengan bread, dengan soup. Kalish. Oh, penat ni dia. Kesian kali pagi-pagi dah bangun dah. Pukul dia sembahyang subuh pagi tadi. Dia yang kejut mami dia bangun sembahyang subuh. Lepas tu mandi siap pukul 7 dah gerak pergi main bola. Lepas main bola, dia main gitar. Lepas main gitar, dia main chess. Lepas tu balik rumah sekejap. Makan-makan, lepas tu keluar balik pergi ninja sur. Lepas tu datang balik rumah. Lepas tu keluar balik pergi sini. Mari sini pula mana tak pingsan. Penat. Tak bergerak. Kata dah kenyang.
Makan kan nak sibuk?
Dah tambah lagi. Tadi satu pinggan manti ni dia makan seorang. Tak nak makan lagi nampak.
Aduh.
Makan. Oh, video. Ni yang mengit. PMN. Panjang lagi.
Bawah meja dah.
EFA. Ni apa? Oh, tak nampak pasal warna kuning.
Oh tu.
Ni PMNI lagi dek.
Tulisan pun warna kuning lah cikgu. Cepat lagi. F E lagi I T oh dia pula mengajar kita N
Lagi sedap.
Kan dia kata test tu.
aduh
Dia buat test
sudah apa tu sudah
Apa tu?
sudah N oh dia nak buat N lagi you know how to make O
I'm teacher, you Ola.
Orang.
I'm your student not orang
I will finish it.
sayang dulu
Cakap mus.
It's like ice cream, but
Thank you.
not cool version. Chocolate ice cream.
ini ke
This one.
Tak ada spoon aku ni.
Alah.
I cannot see. Move. Let me make it proper. Let me.
Sedapnya.
Oh.
Now let me do for you also. Okay, you do by yourself. You take.
Siang.
Sedapnya.
Okay ke? Which one better? You punya resepi ke ini?
I this one because it's cooked.
Okay. Orang dah penat. Dah tak larat.
Sorry video ni random sangat. Bila ada masa kita akan buat video lagi. Okay, so sekarang kita nak balik rumah. Lupa subscribe, like and comment. Bye bye. Terus support KNK channel.